All right, back at it. More antenna stuff. So this is my 2.70 sim one. I'm going to put up a wire dipole attached to that. I'm going to attach it to this tree just on the other side of that fence. And then the other side will go right over to this little pole I have right here. It's an 8-footer. So yeah, inverted V. And there's my vertical. So just doing a little more options. I built the, stand in the sun, idiot. I built a wire dipole right there. It's 2 legs, 20 and 40. So that's the plan. Plan today. Going to put it up there and mount it to that pole. Come with the old ladder and up onto the roof. We'll see how she goes. There we go. Okay, so as you can see, this is the dipole here. It's going to attach with that little bracket thing that I made there. And then I have some screws and whatnot. So anyways, we got our laid down, got it up off of there. It's gonna go over to the front, over to the back. Should be fantastic. And there's a rifle there working away. So yeah, so I got all the stuff in the bag. We'll see how she goes. I'm gonna try and mount this thing and not get angry. All right, kind of super janky. I did put some of that flex tape stuff on the coax connector there. These are, I think, good. It's all good. It's all mounted on there. Kind of cheesy. I'll go ahead and roll it up and stand it up and see what it looks like. Hours later, what a pain in the butt. So the tape's already coming off. Classic. Yeah, oh, look, a honeybee. A honeybee working. So anyway, so this is what I got going on. I got it up there. You can see the dipole antenna up there. It's just basically going to be there for summertime, so it's temporary. Haha. So it is up there, and it comes in. It's going to go into the house the standard temporary way. And it comes out, and I have a hook to the front over here. I'm filming this on Treason Day, by the way. I don't know if you can see it now, the black cord. It's connected to the tree there. All opened up, but yeah, there they are. It's on there. I think I'll show you what it looks like inside. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's not bad. It's not the best of the best, but it's what I got. Take a look at the show data here. So you can see first marker, it's 1.2, it's 172, it's at 1.4, and at 7.3 it's about 2 to 1. So good enough, good enough. And then if I do the same thing, sweep settings, we'll do 20 meters. Set the sweep, close that, we'll sweep it. This one's much gooder, much gooder. So you can see up there at 1.2 it's 1.1, and then it's 1.5 at 43, 4.3, and then at 4.5, which is out of band anyway. So if I move the markers, it looks a lot better if I move the markers, but I'll hide the data. That's what it looks like. So it's pretty decent. Look how low that is. It's pretty decent. I'll take that anytime. And everything's under a 2L. So if I do, let's do 350 right there. And let's see. We'll do 150, oops, 150 right there, and do that one at like 220, enter. So there the markers are. So it's low, it's good. It's, the highest is 1.7, so 20 meters is super fantastic. And it's supposed to work on 15, right? Dipole, 40 meters, supposed to work on 15. Set it. Sweep it. Yeah, that's a junk.